celebrating Cinco De Mayo, heading to a pool party, or a summer festivity, Brow Bar by Reema has your makeup game covered. Let's create a fun look to help you feel your best. I begin with a thin layer of the Reema Beauty Makeup Primer to create a smooth canvas for my foundation and concealer. Next, I set my makeup with the Reema Beauty Loose Setting Powder. To create long-lasting and waterproof brows, we are using the Microblading Pen. Draw on the brow hairs in the direction that your hairs naturally grow. You can fill in areas that have less hair and create the brow shape that you like best. Taking the brow lift, clean up under the brow by applying the product with a flat brush and then blending it into the skin. Use the Bombshell Brow Gel to lock your brows in place by combing the brow hairs upward and outward. Using the Reema Beauty Eye Base Camp Trio, lay down a layer for your eye primer. We are using the Rodeo Vamp Face Kit for today's eyeshadow, starting with the contour shade and just blending that out into the crease. Next, picking up the matte black eyeshadow, begin to apply that on the outer corner of the lid and then blending it in an angular direction. Going back into the Eye Base Camp Trio, I am doing a half cut crease and then adding on the shaved foils on top. Let's use the Kajal pencil for today's eyeliner and giving a nice, fun upturned wing. Apply your mascara and your favorite Brow Bar by Reema lashes, and then we're going to add our face makeup to warm up our face with the contour, blush, and a little glow with the highlight. Complete your look with the True Shine Chrome lipstick in the shade Lust Me for a vibrant red, and you are ready for celebration.